In today's video, there will be multiple cold starts, multiple ride-alongs. We're going to be stripping down a Kenworth and hopefully getting pretty far along in the process of putting an air ride kit in it. It's going to be a good day. We got a lot to do. We're also going to be working on the frame of the cab over there. We're supposed to get that thing done literally this week, if we can. So we're gonna be busting butt on this thing, and we're pretty far along already. I mean, it's looking pretty slick. I do got quite a bit of sanding to do, but I think I'm gonna get Zach started on that when he shows up. Until then, we're gonna get this truck pulled out. We're gonna get the other Kenworth pulled in and start stripping it down. So let's get started. Batteries are dead. They're not even that old, so I'm gonna have to figure out what's draining them. I would hate to get ahead of myself, but I believe today we will be also working on this truck. And I've never gotten ahead of myself in these videos and, you know, saying what I'm gonna do and, you know, not getting it done in that very exact same video. But we're gonna work on this one today, hopefully. We started a couple weeks ago. Our driver pulled out the dash panels and I drilled extra holes. It didn't have this row of gauges here or this row. I drilled those holes out. We installed gauges. I got to get one more gauge for right there. I have them. It's just not installed. Paint it to match. We're getting chrome pieces for here. He wants those pieces chrome. But when he shows up, I believe the bottom panel section there, all along the bottom, he's gonna pull all that out and we're gonna color match that today. I had a couple comments asking how to paint this textured stuff. So if you're somebody that commented that, this is the video for you. You're definitely gonna wanna watch this video. It's also really cold out, so I'm gonna start his S-bar unit. So that way all these panels can start heating up. Then he also, I don't know if it's gonna get done this round, but I believe he already got the green shag carpet. Yeah, everything under here, we're gonna paint all this stuff to match so it's all nice and green. But I believe he's got some green shag carpet. We're gonna pull the seats out and install that, and it's gonna look really good with all the bottom panels being green. So, let's get right into it. We got that truck in there on a charger waiting for its cold start. That one just got done being degreased for the front air ride kit. This truck here, I had it running to air up. The front driver's side axle, the tires are wearing awful on the trailer, so we're gonna have to go and replace those two because the rest of them are looking great. I might do the whole front axle, I don't know, but it's sad because they look like new. Apparently the alignment's out or something, because I mean, I'll show you guys. It's just wearing awful. Like, here we go. I put all new tires on, right? And at least they got some decent tires on there. I mean, look at this. These are all brand new ones, all 8 of these. But look at the insides here. It's like chop, smooth. Like we're running on some race slicks here. So we're gonna replace these two. That side's wearing decent. It's just, they're so close to new. I think I'm gonna see if I got some good used takeoffs and we'll put them on this set here, run them out a little bit longer, then replace all 8 of them at once. I don't know. They're just not working, guys. They're supposed to work, but they're not. These are Coopers. The truck has all Michelins on it. Actually, both of these trucks here have Michelins, and that trailer has Michelins on. So I'd like to maybe put matching on the back there one day. I don't know. Tires are too expensive not to wear out to the absolute max. Let's go, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and back this in to that bay over there for my brother to change those tires. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, oh, I gotta put air in my system, hold on. Right here's our switch to put air in the front axle. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to whip this truck around with this little wheel one-handed, but we're gonna give it a try. I think this is like a 16-inch wheel. Yeah, it steers nice and easy. What am I thinking? I'm driving an old 379 of some sort that's clapped out. This one here, I would like to add 3 more gauges right there. Sadly, I can't put 2 over there to make it look even because it has cutouts for extra switches. All right, there's your ride along. I gotta focus on backing up. I'm not a super trucker, guys. I'm not a super trucker. All right, as far as I know, he is on his way out here. I parked it under the lean-to here, so that way it's out of the rain because it is raining today. And I still got the heater on, so everything will stay nice and warm. He can pull out all his panels and bring them in to me in the shop, and I'm just gonna paint them. Hopefully he'll do most of the work because I ain't got time today. I just ain't got time. Let's go get the Kenworth pulled down. All right, looks like Justin got the whole bottom section here ripped out. We decided, because it's Thanksgiving weekend or whatever, he's gonna just do the bottom half here. I'm gonna paint it up for him and he'll reinstall it. We don't have much time to do anything else this round due to that. So I think we're just gonna do this bottom half. So yeah, it's gonna look really cool. And I think we're gonna add a bunch of lights to the bottom here. So I gotta figure out that right now while I'm out here. Get the holes drilled for him. He's gonna sand everything out and I'm gonna get the painting. right, just got the bottom wrapped up. Sadly, it's dark outside, so it's kind of hard to see what's going on here. The next stage, we'll be painting all the top section here, all the surround around all this stuff. I know it looks really mismatched right now, but it's coming together. And we're gonna do the door panels too, so it's gonna look really good when it's all said and done. I mean, I think it already looks pretty good. And those are the Roadworks mini watermelons. Yeah, I think it turned out really good. I'm gonna walk to the other side so you can see the other side. We're on the other side now, so you can see the other side. Yeah, I think it turned out really nice. I just know it's gonna look really good when this is all painted to match. And then we'll also do the door panels. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here. I think the whole outside surround I'll paint green. I will leave some tan parts in it, so that way it matches the rest of the upholstery, because we're not doing everything. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. And I did wire these lights up. Here they are with all the lights out outside in my wash bay here. This is how it'll look when he's driving. I think it's gonna look pretty good. He can dim them down. I hooked him up on the dim side by accident when I hooked him up to a switch, so hopefully that doesn't screw something up and he loses all his lights on his gauges and burn the whole truck down. I mean, that's worst case scenario. Best case, it works just fine. I don't feel like taking the dash back apart this round, because I also got to fix a couple gauges here and there. The clock one here isn't hooked up because I got to have a constant power to that one that I got to run up through. And then right here is his tack gauge. I also got to put that in this blank spot here. So I got to open up the dash another time anyways. It's late. I don't feel like I'm doing any more tonight. We're just going to call it good. Hit it next time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this interior work being done. I think it turned out really nice. I'm really happy with all this. So yeah, I don't know what I'm saying talking. So this is where we're at right now. We got most of the stuff mounted up. We're gonna finish the rest of it tomorrow. Hopefully. We just gotta jack the axle back up into place, put the shackles on, run the air lines, make sure all the fitment is proper, tighten everything down, torque the U-bolts. I mean, it's all pretty self-explanatory, I believe. I hope. I don't know. This video is getting too long, so I'm gonna make this probably a 2 or 3 part video, because I just have way too much going on, and I'm not gonna be able to edit all this together. So, yeah. Next time.